In this video, we show how to install the Bell Fibe TV app on Apple TV. Make sure your TV is set to the correct input. If you don't see the Apple TV home screen, using your television remote, press the Input or Source button. Use it to select the correct HDMI input, and you're ready to begin. Next, let's confirm the Apple TV is connected to the internet. Using the Apple TV remote, press the Power button to access the Control Center menu and select Wi-Fi. A successful connection will show your network name. If not connected, select Wi-Fi and follow the on-screen prompts to connect to your Bell Wi-Fi network. Next, you will need to be signed in using an Apple ID to download apps. Using the Apple TV remote, press the Power button. Navigate to the account icon to check your status. If you are signed in, you will see your account name. If not, select Sign In and follow the prompts to log in using your Apple ID account. Now, let's search for and install the app. From the home screen, navigate to and select the App Store. Select the magnifying glass icon to begin a search. Type Fibe, then select the Bell Fibe TV app tile. Select Get, and again to begin the download. Once complete, return to the home screen. Navigate to the bottom to find the Fibe TV app. Now move it to the top of the list. Press and hold Select until you can select Edit Home Screen. Move it to the front and press Select to drop it in place. Now the Bell Fibe TV app is there waiting for you to enjoy. For more support, visit bell.ca/support or visit our community forum at bell.ca/forum.